Welcome back. In this short video, we're going to continue practicing centroid. In triangle CUP, point O is centroid. It is given CU and CP equidistant. We also have CO is 10, OU is 13, IP is 12, and this angle PCI is 39. Our first job is to find a distance of UI. That's a simple fix because this is a centroid, which means medium, which means I is a midpoint. If I is a midpoint, I can add one tick mark, and we can immediately see UI, you're also 12 units. Now let's look at measure of angle PCU. I know it's tempting to think about, oh, it must be bisect this angle, but why? Think about why. Okay, let's take this triangle. I'm going to take the triangle CIU. And I'm going to take the triangle CIP. Remember, it is given CU and CP equidistant, so we can label 2, 2. And earlier we labeled 1, 1. And then we also have perpendicular 90 degree here. Okay? So remember, when we try to prove a triangle congruence, we say if it's a right triangle, all we need to prove is HL. HL is hypotenuse legs. We have hypotenuse, we have legs. These two triangles are congruent. After we prove these two triangles congruent, did you remember CP, CTC? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, which means I'm going to call angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. They have equal measure. All right? Since angle 2 gives us is 39 degrees, which means angle 1 is also 39. If we put 1 and 2 together, we see, oh, angle 1 and angle 2, if I add you two together, you become measure of angle PCU. So which means measure of angle PCU is 2 times 39 degrees. And we're going to finish writing 2 times 39. That's 78 degrees. Okay? All right. We're going to erase this part. We're almost done with the whole question. Next one asks us to find OD. OD is on the blue medium. Remember in the previous two videos we talked about the shorter segment of the median. Shorter segment is half of the longer segment. The longer one is 13, so what is half of 13? That you can keep it just like a fraction, improper fraction, or you can convert it to decimal if that's what you like. You can put down 6.5 units. That's it. So OD is 6.5 units. All right, last one. Let's CI, the yellow one. So the yellow one that asks you the whole length, think about CO is 10, which means OI is half of 10, that's 5. So CI is 10 plus 5, that's 15 units. Okay, I want to write down here units also. This is very crowded. I'm just going to write down units right here. That is it. Thank you for learning with me. Happy learning.